What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. If you are getting into trade, electrical field, or even auto mechanic field, sometimes construction, whatever, you may want to get yourself some nice pliers. We are going to show you some examples. But right here you go. Nice grip. I just reviewed their other needle nose pliers. These do come in a set of 3. So these are the needle nose pliers. I just reviewed these. Very nice. So I have 30 amp wire right here. I'm going to test these all together and let's see if we get any action. So let's just give it a little test. Oh, all right, you guys. Whew, I tried. So this is thick wire, just to let you know, very thick. This is not the 14.2s, the 14.3s. I could get the 14.2 out here to show y'all, but just gonna go ahead and snap. So y'all see it snaps there, snaps there, snaps there. So it cut those very nice. Now, as a matter of fact, let me go ahead, see if I could grab the 14.2 wire real quick to see if that will work on this. And then, you can make your judgment however you want to make your judgment. But it definitely cut the single wires very nice. All right, and these are pretty sharp too. And of course you got the name brand on it, anti-slip. It grips your hand very good, just to let you know it's not really slippery. So, or you grip it, I don't know about it gripping your hand, but you grip it very well. All right, anti-slip. Got me my 14.2, and you see it snapped right through that 14.2. All right, 14.2 again, snap, 14.2, snap. This is 14.2. All right, you see that? So you know I'm not lying. All right, you guys, 14.3. Let's check it out. Cuts right through the 14.3. Nice and easy. All right. So that's pretty awesome. All right, you guys, so that's it with that. And that's a good reason why you may want to get a set, because one does a little bit better than the other one. And then we are going to go over the last pliers of the set. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.